This is at the corner of Willowwood and Monks Grove Church Road. And this house has a tree on top of it right here. This is a mobile home off Settle Road in Inman. And this is actually a relative of mine, my cousin's grandson. But it's a nice double wide. And it came through this huge tree right here, came through the bedroom and landed on the bed in there. You can see right through here. I'm going to go inside in just a second. But you can see the outside here where it landed in the bedroom. So this is in the same trailer in Inman. This is his kitchen. So it devastated everything. This is a nice place. And that tree that fell in the bedroom on the other side of this wall right here came through the kitchen too. Okay, we're inside this mobile home. And thankfully the owners weren't laying on the bed, because if they had been laying on the bed, they would be dead. And I'm sorry, that rhymes. So where were y'all at?
It was in that bedroom.
They were in the back bedroom on the end of the trailer.
Kids was too.
And this is only by the grace of God they weren't in here, I'll tell you that. Now we're in the backyard. Luckily, he has a pig pen out here and it didn't fall on his pigs, so he moved them out here. So the pigs are out here now. But if you look at the back of the trailer, this is where it came in through the bedroom right here. Here's a house on 176 in Grambling that took some bad damage. I'll try to walk up close. I don't think anybody be staying here. This house is cut completely in half by a tree. This may be the worst damage I've seen so far. This is on Oak Street in Twin Brooks Estates in Boiling Springs. So here's the car that was under the tree. And over here's the house. So there you got somebody in here now working. So this tree fell from this side of the house over here and went across the fence and fell on the corner of this house. And I'm not going to be able to stay here long because they're backing stuff out of here. So all down this street, this is Oak Street in Twin Brooks, off of Hanging Rock Road. Nearly every house has a tree on it, nearly every house. Several are totaled, several they're taking everything out of it. I'm gonna drive right up the street here, keep it going. People here saying it was gonna be 2 weeks, till Tuesday to get their power on, but I believe it's gonna be quicker than that because we got Duke Power here now. Duke Power's on the scene. How you doing?